A common concern that we hear from students is that they're not as comfortable with APA formatting as they wish they were. So extra resources have been placed in this class to familiarize you a little more with APA and some of the structuring that you'll need to know, not only for this course, but for all BSN courses. Within this module, if you see under Week 1 in the Introduction, Foundations for Academic Success and Evidence-Based Practice module, you'll see a very long list of these specific APA criteria. Now, notice that these are not due until the end of Week 2, but under each of these, particularly the ones that are subset underneath, when you click on them, it will take you to a page in which you will have a little outline, some directions. There's a sample in the majority of them. And if you scroll down far enough, there's practice opportunities, but you'll notice that each one also has a quiz. These quizzes need to be completed by the end of Week 2, and each quiz is auto-graded, so as you take it, you'll find out your score right away. You can go in, so you'll go to the actual quiz. Your page will look slightly different than this instructor version. And you can take them repeated times. Your highest score is what will be saved at the end. So please make sure that you do the quiz under each one. And if you look, there's quite a few of them that go all the way down, but that should familiarize you with everything that you need to know about evidence-based practice for the scope of 4200 as well as the BSN program as a whole.